Hello students, Standard 7, subject is Applied English. We have started our chapter number 9, that is entertainment, right? We have done this chapter half we have completed in live class also. So today we will revise it again in video. So here is the chapter number 9, entertainment. So entertainment, from the word you can understand it is about, we have done the party also in chapter number 8. Now we will do the entertainment. Okay. So first of all we have the learning objectives. So in this unit we will learn to express our opinions about films and TV shows. So entertainment, from the words you can understand that we have movies, television shows, dramas and all, right? So from there, how we can give the opinion about some films, about the TV shows. If someone asks to you that if you have seen this movie, so tell me something about it. So how you can express your opinion about the movie or about the television show, so that you will learn in this chapter. Then learn to answer questions on the basis of listening. Okay, what you will learn? Learn to answer questions. For what? On the basis of listening. If someone asks to you anything, that how can you reply him to his or she's question asked to you, whatever. So how you can reply, how you can learn, how you can understand, so that you will learn. Then learn to book tickets over the telephone. So when you want to go somewhere, so nowadays you can book your tickets on telephone also, right? So how you can book your tickets on telephone, that you will learn. Learn to distinguish between the different I sounds. There are so many sounds related to I, and soft and hard G sounds. Okay, that you will learn. Now first of all we have the activity, that is how you watch a film or read an interesting book recently. Have you watched a film or read an interesting book recently? તમે કોઈ રિસેન્ટલીમાં બુક યા તો વાંચી છે યા તો કોઈ મૂવી જોઈ છે? So work with a partner. So this activity we have completed in the video live class also. We have done all these things. તો તમે કોઈ મૂવી જોઈ હોય, તમે કોઈ બુક વાંચી હોય, તો તમે કોઈ ક્વેશ્ચન તમારા ફ્રેન્ડને પૂછે તો તમે એનો જવાબ આપી શકો છો કે that I have seen this movie and it is very interesting movie, it is very understanding movie. In that this person is my favorite character in this movie because he has done very good role in the movie. So I recommend this movie to watch ahead. And why? Because it gives you some very good thoughts and good knowledge also about the society and all. So it is very good movie. Like this you can give your review of book and the movie if someone asks to you. Now we have the listening and learning task here. So like this you will have in examination, means in the competition also, the listening task. From that there are some questions, you have to listen the track very carefully and you have to give the answers whatever the questions are given. So here listen to a conversation between Ravi and Rohit and choose the correct option. So here you have the conversation between Ravi and Rohit, and from there you have to do this activity of choosing the correct answer. Okay, so listen the track very carefully and then correct the answer whatever the answer is here. Okay, so listen the track carefully.
Listen to a conversation between Ravi and Rohit and choose the correct options.
Hi Rohit, how are you?
Hi Ravi, I'm well. I was about to call you. What are you doing this evening?
I don't have any plans. Do you have something exciting in mind?
Yes, I'm planning to watch the film Jungle Book. Have you seen it yet?
Not yet, but I want to watch it as it has won the Academy Award for Best Visual Effects, and it's based on Rudyard Kipling's work.
Yes, I've been reading the Jungle Book, which is a collection of stories by Rudyard Kipling. The main character in these stories is Mowgli, a boy raised by wolves. Now that I've read the book, I want to watch the movie. Would you like to join me this evening?
Sounds good. What are the show timings and where shall we go?
The show timings are 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. at Royal Cinema. Which one suits you?
Let's watch the 4 o'clock show. I will finish my schoolwork before 3 o'clock.
Great. I will meet you outside Royal Cinema at 3:45 then.
Okay, see you.
Okay, so students, I hope you have done this activity very nicely. So I will just give you some answers of these questions. Rohit wants to watch the film. Which film? Rohit wants to watch the film of The Jungle Book. C. The answer is C. Okay. The answer is C. Second number, that the main character in the story is what? The main character in the story is, yes, obviously it is A. Mowgli. Third number, it is based on the work of whose? So it is based on the work of option number C, Rudyard Kipling. Now another 3 options are given, so you have to write by yourself. I have given the 3 answers. Rest of them you have to do by yourself after listening the audio. Okay. Every question answer I am not going to give. You have to do in your textbook by listening the audio. Okay. So now another activity we have, that is listen to a conversation between Navid and Rohit and fill in the blanks. Again we have the fill in the blanks. After listening the track, you have to fill in the blanks. This dialogue, conversation all given, that you have to listen the track very carefully and you have to complete this exercise. Okay, whatever given here. So listen the track very carefully. Okay.
Listen to a conversation between Navid and Rohit and fill in the blanks.
Hi Rohit, how are you?
Hi Navid, I am fine. How about you?
I'm fine too. How was your weekend?
It was very enjoyable. I spent most of the day reading The Jungle Book by Rudyard Kipling. Then I watched the film based on the book.
I see. How did you like the book?
It's a very interesting story of a boy named Mowgli who is raised by a pack of wolves in the jungle. It's really gripping.
Great. And how about the film?
I enjoyed the film too. Though it was released in 2016, I had not watched it before. I loved the acting of the boy who played Mowgli.
I see. Do you know who played the role of Mowgli in the film?
Yes, a boy named Neil Sethi played the role. Neil lives in New York. His grandparents moved to the US from India many years ago.
Okay, I will read the book soon and watch the film too.
Okay, so students, have you listened the track? I am also reading. I am not writing the answer in the blanks, but I am reading with the answer. So please listen it very carefully and then complete the exercise in your textbook also and practice at home also. Okay. So here Navid said, "Hi Rohit, how are you?" Rohit said, "Hi Navid, I'm fine. How about you?" Navid said, "I'm fine too. How was your weekend?" Rohit said, "It was very enjoyable. I spent most of the day reading The Jungle Book by Rudyard Kipling. Then I watched the film based on the book." Navid said, "I see. How did you like the book?" "It's very interesting story of a boy named Mowgli who is raised by a pack of wolves in the jungle. It's really gripping." Navid said, "Great. And how about the film?" Rohit said, "I enjoyed the film too. Though it was released in 2016. I had not watched it before. I love the acting of the boy who played Mowgli." Navid said, "I see. Do you know who played the role of Mowgli in the film?" Rohit said, "Yes, a boy named Neil Sethi played the role. Neil lives in New York. His grandparents moved to the US from India many years ago. Navid said, "Okay, I will read the book soon and watch the film too." So this is the conversation between Navid and Rohit. If you are not getting understanding or any answer, so you can listen the audio again and again, then you can get the answer. Okay. So now ahead we have the speaking and practice. So we have done the listening practice. Now we have the speaking practice. Means you have to speak again and again. That improves your speaking quality. Okay. So, speaking and practice, read this conversation between two friends. So, here it is a conversation. You have to read, and again and again you have to speak the words whatever it is given. So, here is the conversation that Gauri, "Hi Rama, did you watch the Wizard of Oz last night?" Rama said, "No, I couldn't. I was watching my favorite show, The Nancy Drew Mysteries. I loved the show and didn't want to miss it." "How was the film?" Gauri said, "It was fantastic. You must watch it when you get a chance." Rama said, "I surely will." Okay, so here is the conversation and here is the point of view, opinion of watching the show. Someone has declined that I have not seen. So this is the conversation, this is the hint. How can you express, how can you give your opinion also. Okay, so now work in groups of 3 and discuss your favorite film or TV program. So this activity we will do in our next live class. Okay, so here we have the grammar interesting point, and yes, also we have completed this activity in last live class. Remaining students will do in the next live class. Okay, so here are some introductory phrases used to express likes and dislikes. You can use if you like that, "I like the movie so much. I love the character of the boy in that movie. And I adored. I'm crazy about this movie. I'm crazy about the acting of the hero. I'm mad about this. I enjoyed the movie very nicely." If you like that, then you can use these kind of expressions. And now if you dislike that, so you can also use this expression like, "I don't like the lady character in the story or in the movie which she used how to express her. So I dislike this movie. I hate the hero. I hate the character of this hero. I can't tolerate. I can't bear. I can't stand." Okay, so you can start your word by using these phrases. Okay, so this is about the applied English. Now talk activity given. So form group of 4 and talk about a TV show or a film that you all have seen. Express your views about it and you may agree or disagree with others' opinion. So now we will do this activity in live class, that I will give you one television show. On that, so you or 5 or 6 students have to express their views. Some are the agree about that and some are the disagree about that, and their opinions are mismatched also in that talk. So we will do this speaking practice in live class. Okay, now students, here also remind that you can use the following expressions to express your opinion or to agree or disagree when you are talking with a friend about the television. So which activity we will do, that from activity if you want to express your opinion, so you can use the phrases here given, that expressions given, that "I think this show is very wonderful. So it seems to me that," you can start your talk also like this, "In my opinion, the show is very interesting entertainment show. From my point of view, I am thinking that from my point of view, it is not good show. As far as I understand that the show is about the society." You can use this. See, I am adding some words also. "As far as I see," okay, these words you can use to express agreeing with an opinion. अगर कोई साथे agree થયા હોય, તમે કોઈએ કીધું કે "In my opinion the show is very વન્ડરફુલ શો બિકોઝ ઇટ કેન ગીવ યુ સમ લેસન્સ અબાઉટ લાઈફ. તો તમે આ વાતથી એગ્રી થયા છો તો યુ કેન યુઝ દેટ. I agree with this opinion. I completely agree with this view. This is absolutely right. You are right, but I agree with you, but. So this expression you can use. And if you disagree with an opinion, કોઈએ ઓપિનિયન આપ્યું છે ને તમે એનાથી ડિસએગ્રી છો તો તમે કેવા એક્સપ્રેશન યુઝ કરી શકો છો? લાઈક I am afraid I don't agree with you. Sorry, I disagree with you. Sorry, but I don't agree with you. Sorry, but I have to differ with you. Okay, so these are the expression you can use. Okay, this is like an expression of using the view, whatever you want to express your opinion, that agree or disagree, or if you want to give an opinion, these are the expression you can use in your sentence also while speaking. Okay, so like this you can use these expressions in your talking when you will do this activity in the live class also. Okay, so this is all about the today's applied English class. I hope you understand all the things of listening and the speaking practice also. Please at home you have to do this practice of listening the track and the speaking practice, because it gives you in the next whatever the competition is coming, so in that you can easily you can pass that competition also. Okay, so thank you all of you.